Welcome back, student. Today we will do with a new topic, that is histogram. Okay, I hope all of you got the syntax and how to plot line chart by using matplotlib. So today we will see histogram. Before moving to histogram, let's first discuss what histogram is, how it gets differ from other charts, and what are the requirements for it. Okay, so let's see. Now see here, a histogram is a summarization tool for discrete or continuous data. A histogram provides a visual interpretation of numerical data by showing the number of data points that falls within a specified range of values called bins. Okay, so these are said to be bins which falls on the specified range, that those are bins. Now students, it is similar to a vertical bar graph, but the difference between the bar graph and histogram, you can see that here in bar graph there are gaps between the bars, okay, but in histogram it shows no gaps between the bars. It is the results of continuous data. Okay, now next we will see that to plot histogram, a hist function is used to plot histogram. After that, there are various parameters of histograms, like x means array to be plotted, or you can say data. Then beans means sometimes before I told you the which falls on the range, that is said to be beans. Then cumulative, hist type, then orientation is there. So these things we will see once we will start plotting histogram in IDLE. Okay, so let's move that. Before going to plot histogram, let's first discuss this one, that suppose these are the data. Just see that these are the data for the histograms. Okay, these are the data for histograms, you can see. So this is our data, and by default the bins created in histograms are 10 bins. Try to remember this one, as because in MCQ this may be asked that how many default bins will be created in histogram. That time you can say that there are 10 bins. Okay, 10 bins by default get created. Okay, so now see this one is plotted here from 0 to 1, means it will count till 1. It will not take this 0 1. How many 1? 1 2 3. So here 3, then 1 to 2, 2 it will take considered. So 1 2 3, so 3. In this way this table has been created based on the range number of values. Okay, so let's move to the ideally how to plot histogram. Now see students, I have already created here, I have already written the codes, as it takes much time to create these things. So you can see that how it works. So this is the format: import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, or pl also you can write. The data I have already given, the same data as I have taken in shown you before. So plt.hist is the function, then data, this data we have to pass as an argument or parameter. Now plt.show, now just see what output we'll get. The output will be, yes, this is the required histogram created for the given data. Okay, so now you can see here 10 beans has been, these are set to be beans. Here you can see that 10 beans have been created, and beans should be, all beans should be of equal length, equal size. Okay, so here you can see, you might be thinking that these two are not in equal size, but yes, these are in equal size because it is 2 beans. Here 2 beans are there, here also 2 beans. You can see 10 beans means here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Total 10 beans has been plotted in this figure. Now suppose I want to, this data I want with the 5 beans. I'll just write here beans is equals to 5. Then you can see that the output will be 5 beans. So here is the output. See, 1, here this is the combination of 2 1, then here you can see the marking also. This is 1, here it is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total it is 5 beans. Likewise, you can make with instead of 5 you can write 2 also. By 2 beans also that can be created. So see here, same size with 2 beans also you can create. So by default 10 beans. After that, if you want to modify it with beans number, then that you can write bean size. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to change the color of that beans, suppose color, I'm writing color is equals to, suppose here G, then it will just change the color. You can see instead of blue it will come in green color. Okay, so hope this is clear to you all. Now next we will see next is, suppose I want to change the labels. Okay, right, we have done in the line chart how to add labels. That time what we will do, after data you can write plt dot x label. Okay, x label, plt dot x label. Suppose here you can write school. Okay, here school I'm writing, and y label, plt y label, plt y label, you can write number of student, like number of student. So how it works, just see how it works. So just after saving it, you can see here in the figure sorry, so you can see here school, and here you can see number of student. You can write title, out here you can see blank, right? So here also you can add title by adding one more line, that is plt dot title, title, title. Suppose I'm writing data analysis. Okay, data analysis, simply I'm writing this. So after just run it, you can see that title has been added. Okay, see, you can see here data analysis, number of students, schools. In this way we can change the labels of the this histogram, for x-axis, for y-axis and all. Now student, one more thing, just see, if you want to change here, like what I have done, see here in beans I have written beans like this. Okay, in beans, if you want to modify beans with your own, that also you can do. But what you need to write, you have to write beans as an array, like 0, 2, 4, 8, 10. In this way, if you want to write, then you can see how it appears. So after saving it, you can see this is how the histogram appears. See, 0, 2, then 4, then 6, this one, then 8, then 10. Total is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is 5. So total you can find 5. Based on the range, you can find 5 beans of equal size. In this way also you can create. So don't get confused when in beans this array will be given. Just this is the range for the beans. Again, color you can change, or you can modify colors, then sometime before what I have shown you. So first of all, try to know how to plot histogram. Next day we'll see some parameters like cumulative, orientation, all these regarding histogram. Then this chapter will get over. Okay, till then, if still you find any kind of problem, just drop me a message so that I can explain you more elaborately. Okay, so that you can understand. Okay.